Okay, guys, ever wanted a scrolling logo marquee to showcase your brand partners or press mentions? Setting all of this up manually would honestly take forever. Well, this section makes it super simple. Today we're adding this collection section to your store. So, let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the layout. There are 3 different options to choose from here. Pick whichever fits your section best. Right below that, add your title text, and there are more title settings you can adjust, but I won't be changing any of these myself since they already work well for my section. Now let's move on to the logo and brand text settings. You can customize these based on your own preference. There's also a logo image setting, a separator setting, and a marquee setting you can adjust. Below that, you'll find wrapper style settings, along with section color, section padding, section margin, and section width settings, all fully customizable. There's genuinely a lot packed into this one section. Now let's move on to the SK logo/brand. In the brand name field, which acts as a text fallback, add your brand name, and right below that, add the logo image. I'll go ahead and add all the logos this same way, step by step. Once you've customized everything the way you like, just hit save and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.